As of my last update in September 2021, the Canada Express Entry immigration process is a points-based system designed to facilitate the immigration of skilled workers to Canada. It applies to individuals from all over the world, including Pakistan. The process involves several steps. Eligibility criteria. The first step is to ensure you meet the basic eligibility requirements for Express Entry. These requirements include having relevant work experience, language proficiency in English or French, and sufficient funds to support yourself and your family in Canada. Language proficiency test. You must take an approved language test to demonstrate your proficiency in either English, IELTS, or French, TEF. The test scores will contribute to your overall Express Entry points. Educational Credential Assessment, ECA. If you completed your education outside of Canada, you will need to obtain an ECA report from an approved agency. This report will verify the equivalency of your educational qualifications to Canadian standards. Create Express Entry profile. If you meet the eligibility criteria and have the required language test results and ECA report, you can create an Express Entry profile online through the Canadian government's official website. The profile will include information about your work experience, education, language proficiency, age, and other relevant details. Comprehensive Ranking System, CRS, score. Upon creating your profile, you will be assigned a CRS score based on factors like age, education, work experience, language proficiency, and other adaptability factors. The CRS score is used to rank candidates against each other in the Express Entry pool. Express Entry draws. Periodically, the Canadian government conducts Express Entry draws where candidates with the highest CRS scores are invited to apply for permanent residency. If your CRS score meets or exceeds the cutoff for a particular draw, you will receive an invitation to apply. ITA. Application for permanent residence. After receiving an ITA, you have 60 days to submit a complete application for permanent residence. This application includes various forms, supporting documents, police clearances, and medical examinations for you and your accompanying family members. Application processing. The Canadian government will review your application, conduct background checks, and verify the information provided. If everything is in order and you meet the required criteria, you will receive a confirmation of permanent residence, COPR. Landing in Canada. With the COPR, you can make arrangements to travel to Canada and officially become a permanent resident. Upon arrival, you will need to show your COPR to a Canadian immigration officer and complete the landing process. It's important to note that the immigration policies and procedures may change over time, so it's essential to refer to the official Canadian government websites or consult with a licensed immigration consultant or lawyer for the most up-to-date information and guidance.